Hello, welcome to my demonstration on Java serialization. So first let me bring up the necessary slides. Okay, so Java serialization. First of all, what is it? What is Java serialization? So Java serialization is kind of like a encryption of a file or some data or specifically a Java object in Java. So to get a better view, let's see this diagram. I drew this. So first, an object is converted to byte stream in Java solution, and then it is divided in. It's up to you, like whether you want to choose a file, database, or memory. Now, second, why is Java solution required? So as I said, it's an encryption thing. So whatever data is mandatory or like um, specifically required and need to keep secure, it is used. Now I'm gonna demo the Java solution. So here, as you can see, this is my project. I created this file, and in this file there is a class called userinfo that implements serializable. Now I created two strings, constructor, and these are the constructor very constraints. So yeah, here as you can see, here is a main method. I'm gonna come back to this later on, but first I'm gonna go to this method. So it's called serializable, and it throws an IO exception, input output exception. Now this is where the main logic is. So yeah, like this is the output stream, and I created a new output stream that also has a new file stream called the file is called file serializable. Now this writes the object to the user info class. Now I come now on the in the main method I have done the created a new user and given two data, like first is email address and the second is pin. Now it's a try catch, so yeah, whatever the error is gonna got here, and this is the method. Now let's run this and see what happens. So as I run this, as you may see, a new file comes here called file serializable, this one. So yeah, I'm gonna refresh it. Yeah, okay, now as you can see, here are symbols and all. So yeah, this is what the file looks like. Thank you for watching. Hi, so what is Java thread? So Java thread is a path in Java. To be clear, it has ability to operate multiple processors with each individual different paths in, and use the CPU multi-cores, and each Java thread can operate each individual processes. Second, why is Java thread required? So Java thread is mainly because it allows Java program to function faster by running multiple calculations simultaneously. It also has the ability to perform complex tasks in background. So now I'm gonna demo Java thread. So this is Eclipse, and this is the project. Now this project is mainly retrieved from tutorial point, and then I modified. So in this program, I have a class called thread demo. It declares a thread as a t, then a string, thread name, and this is the constructor. Now this is the runnable interface, and yeah, this will try running it, and this is the main logic, and it only occurs on day 2. Now I have set a sleep timer for 100 ms. I assume this is in milliseconds. Now it has a catch method, so whatever the exception is, interrupt exception will be caught here. And this is the start method. In this method, the new thread is created, and it also starts. Now the thread test is a main class, and it has a main method called and then this is the new initiated thread with a name thread1, and this is the thread2 thread, and both of them will start. So if I was to run this program, as you can see, tasks new thread has been born, and then only one thread runs, and then second thread runs. So this is the number two. Now watch it. This two threads are running simultaneously, and then both of them completes and it exits. Thank you.